Yo, what a beautiful day. The apartment life. We got the Stang right here. We are not taking the Stang today, even though she's looking beautiful. How you doing? Carbon fiber steering wheel. Oh my God, the Rohana's red. Need some new brake calipers, but that's okay. We're gonna go check out the Gunner. We got a little garage over here. Living easy in this apartment complex. Oh, yes ma'am. How you doing this morning? Good morning to you, Miss Gunner. Oh yeah, we need some new brakes right there. Need new calipers, some bolts, some exhaust pipes. She's gonna be sitting pretty once we move in. I'm just tired of looking at this. Just chop the thing off for all I care. Woo, sounds so good though. That 106. How you doing? Sheesh. Crowd hitter sitting pretty. Only complaint on that car, we need a supercharger. She's not fast enough, realistically. Gotta get a little daily 100. There she is. If my house is that away, this is what I'm aiming to do. No traffic, nothing. Just beautiful nothingness. Sing your song, Gunner. Sing your song. I got time today. God, I don't know why I've been just making excuses. It's okay to get in slumps, but don't let it overpower your days off and just go do what you love to do. Inexcusable is what that is. To waste your days off because you're tired. And I'm at fault. That's all on me. So all we're doing is leave anything positive down in the comments about this channel, about this video. If you like anything that I post, let me know so it keeps me motivated. That's just a small little favor. The Gunner just needs some TLC. The Mustang just needs a supercharger. I was honestly thinking, once we close on this house, I was really thinking about a new car. I decided I'm going to put that on the back burner. I was going to get rid of the Stang and go get something crazy. I'm not going to tell you guys what it was because you guys would probably want to see that. I understand. But I'm going to keep the Mustang. I'm going to keep the Gunner. The sport bikes, I've been fighting myself on Cycle Trader, looking around. They got some nice prices. You guys already know I'm probably thinking R1. What would you think about an R1, a Victory Gunner, and a Mustang with some garage videos? I think that would kind of be the nice setup. We're about a little over a month out from getting the house all situated. Super excited, ready to have a garage, ready for these things to be covered and have a little workplace. It's going to be nice having my own toolbox with my own setup and just my own little let me chill space, to have the bikes in there, to have the car, to put up a flag, put up my Victory flag. My dad buys me these flags. I think he's purchased me I have an Indian flag, a Victory flag. I think there's another one, but I'm gonna put those up in the garage. I'm gonna have some helmet mounts and some shelving. It's gonna come along real nice. So I can't wait to make videos out of that. You guys see it's on a cul-de-sac, so we can kind of take over the cul-de-sac. My neighbors are gonna hate me. They're gonna hear the Gunner start up in the morning. They're gonna hear the Stang. This is gonna be beautiful. A secondary bike on the channel is well needed. I was talking to my friend the other day, talking about my Yamaha R6, and honestly, the only reason I sold it is because I didn't have enough time for it, which makes kind of sense, but now I'm kind of shooting myself in the foot because now a garage is on its way. It would have been so beautiful just to be sitting in the garage, having it whenever I needed, because I didn't need the money. I didn't need to sell it. It was just more of I felt bad that it was getting like weathered and it was getting rained on underneath the bike cover, and it was just literally sitting there because I was working so much. I'm honestly thinking we're gonna go with an R1. Doesn't have to be a specific year, anything from 2016 to 2020. I think I'm going for red. Red and black would match that Mustang perfectly, would pair nicely with the Gunner as well. I will not go black, even though I would love to have a black motorcycle with some like red kill cam stickers, but I will never be on a black motorcycle just for the safety precautions. The only way I would go with a black bike is if I promise myself to wear neon every single time. What do you guys think? Would you like to see a red and black R1 or an all black R1 and I have to wear neon? Because that is the only way you will ever get me on a black motorcycle. If I have to go buy a neon helmet specifically for that bike, I don't know. Which color would you pick on the Yamaha R1? That's the bike. I love my R6. You guys already know that. That's kind of what started the channel. The Gunner just built it a little bit more. That Jelly Bean, my dad's Vulcan, helped push it even more. But I'm a big Yamaha fan. The Yamaha R1 would be gorgeous. Which color would you pick and why? Which one do you want to see? I think that's the move. I put the car on the back burner. I'm going to keep the Sting forever. I'm going to keep the Gunner forever. Which bike could I add to my inventory that I'm going to keep forever? Which one would you want to see? Honest vote. It could be anything in the 1000 cc's. Don't go crazy. I'm not S1000RR yet, or I'm not Ducati Panigale V4. But which bike would you want to see sport bike coming soon to the channel? I promise you, just stay patient. The shorter videos, thank you for clicking on it. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Got the 2016 Mustang GT 5.0 6-speed. Things coming soon on that. Got the Victory Gunner. We need to do some cosmetic stuff first, and then we're all set. Sport bike coming soon. Leave a decent description on why you would like that bike. Y'all take it easy. Kill Cam out.